Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the vehicle is secure, wheels chalked, parking brake set, and transmission in park or gear. Next, crouch and locate the manufacturer's jack point near the wheel you'll lift. This prevents body damage. Fit the jack saddle under that point and begin pumping slowly to take up slack. Go up until the tire just clears the ground, pausing to recheck stability. Once done, make sure the jack is vertical and the car isn't leaning before continuing. You'll now install the jack stands. Slide them under the recommended reinforced frame points, not under suspension arms or plastic. Raise the stand collars to match the jack height, then slowly lower the car onto the stand so weight transfers fully. Make sure both stands bear the load evenly and the vehicle sits level. Gently push the car to confirm no shifting. If any movement occurs, re-jack and reposition stands. Once secure, leave the hydraulic jack in a safety position or remove it per your preference. You finish by doing a final safety check. Give the car a firm shove to detect any wobble and inspect each stand contact point for firm seating. When your work is complete, raise the vehicle slightly with the jack to take weight off the stands, remove the stands, then slowly lower the car. If at any point you notice settling or a sudden drop, re-jack immediately, reposition stands on stronger points, and repeat stability checks before continuing. Do not work under a car that moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.